Yay, it's laundry day and I have the goods. Let me show you. Just in time, look what I have. Let's see. Clearalif, I wish that you found me sooner because I am obsessed. The smell just out of the package alone is absolutely amazing, and you can cut them in half depending on the size of your wash. These are super easy to store in any type of bag, even to travel. This is the wild mint, and this smells absolutely amazing. Even though right now the magnolia one is in the lead, this is so freaking good, and you can cut these in half too. And I just want to say, a little Asmere never hurt anybody. They even look pretty. Eco-friendly, super affordable, and there's a scent for everybody. And those you can cut clearly as well, but I am super excited to try this because mamas, you know what I mean. Okay, am I right? We have to have these. Look at this. Amazing. Now these are their lavender scented laundry booster scent beads. You never smelled a lavender like that before, but here we go. We're gonna put it to the test. Clearalif first pod. I'm gonna put the same amount of water in each bowl to see what dissolves quicker and gives me the right amount of soap. And if you're anything like me, you know that it's super important to help in any way possible to keep our planet clean. Every little bit goes a long way. I mean, look at this pod. The plastic is still there. That is not good for your clothes. Clearalif already dissolved. I'm still trying to get this to dissolve. Having affordable prices and things that actually work and last for a while, well, especially in this economy, we need it. Clearalif for the win. I put red and white with a few colors, and it's perfect still.